Here are 70 pro YouTube glossary terms and concepts you should know as a new YouTuber. Definitions afterward. Stay tuned.
Pro YouTuber elements.
Content creation and production. Thumbnail, intro, outro, editing, grind, cut, B-roll, montage, premiere, raw footage, jump cut, hype train, mukbang, binge-watch.
Audience and engagement.
CTA, which is call to action, smash that like button, subscribing, notification squad, comment section, like to dislike ratio, engagement rate, shoutout, fanbase name, timestamps.
Growth and revenue.
Monetization, demonetization, AdSense, CPM or cost per mille, affiliate links, sponsorship, revenue split, brand deal.
Video performance and algorithm.
Algorithm, watch time, CTR or click-through rate, SEO or search engine optimization, trending, virality, retention, Shadowban, evergreen content, impressions.
Community and culture.
OG, original gangster or old grandparents, haters, clout, T, drama channel, flame war, cancel culture, flex.
YouTube feature specific.
Pinned comment, super chat, members-only content, playlist, end screen.
General YouTube elements.
First, vlog, subscriber or sub, collab, demonetized, live stream, simp for a YouTuber, merch, stan, receipts, shadow banned, comment squad, ratioed, sub for sub, cringe, cancel, clickbait.
In the next video are the definitions of the 70 pro YouTube glossary terms. These are concepts you should know as a new YouTuber, which YouTube are favoring currently. There's never been a better time to start your channel, so let's get growing. Like and subscribe. Thank you.